is John, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install Boca bearings into inline skates or rollerblades. These are really nice ceramic bearings. They glide smooth, they have way less friction, and they go a lot faster, making it a lot easier to do tricks. To do this are a 1/4 inch bolt, two 5/32 Allen wrenches, a hammer, your bearings, and like a vitamin cup or something unbreakable like wood, metal, or plastic, as long as it's not glass. So you're going to want two 5/32 Allen wrenches, and you're going to want to unscrew the bolts in the side to get it out. And you're going to want to do this equally on both sides to get it out at the same time, or else you just get one stuck in there really far and you won't be able to get it out, and you'll have to like stuff it, and you might even strip it out. So you want to get them both out equally, like that, and they'll both just pop out if you do it quite right. So then you'll be able to get the actual wheel out like this, and you'll see that there will be two bearings on the inside of the wheel, and there will actually be like a small barrel that holds it, and what it looks like is this. So you want to get that out, and that's where the 1/4 inch bolt comes into place. So you can just place it there, and you can place it on top of something like a vitamin bottle. It has to be smaller than the actual diameter of the wheel, but bigger than the bearings. You're just going to put it on there. You're going to put this up there, and you're going to hold it. You need to be careful not to smash your fingers. Then it's out, and you'll just be able to shake it out, and then you'll see that the bearing is still in there. So you want to get this out, and you can just do it by pressing on here, on the side. So you can just throw that to the side, and you'll have to reinsert this one back into it, and do the same thing again right here. And you'll see that you'll have the actual barrel, and it comes out, and you have it right here. So you just pop this bearing out. You can get this, you can just press it on the side, and it pops out. So then you get your new Boca bearings. So then you get your barrel, and then you get your bearing, and you just put it right on there. And you shouldn't have to press too hard. It should just pop on. And if you have to press too hard, then that probably means your barrel's bent, and you might have to get a new one. So you just want to get the first one in, and you're going to want to put it in your wheel. And you're going to push it in there. Then you're going to get the other one, and you're going to push it in there. Then you're going to come back to your skate, and you're going to have to put it back in. But if you rollerblade, you'll see that you get a lot of wear and tear on one side of the wheel. So while you're taking it out, you might as well just switch it around to get more work out of your wheels, and so it takes longer to get worn out and die. I'm just gonna put it in there, get it nice and even in there, stick your bolt in there, stick your nut in there, put it in there, screw it in. And then you just do that to the other 4 wheels, and you're done.
Whoa.